Deluxe Studio Series Review. Today we're reviewing the Transformers Bumblebee movie, Cliffjumper. So let's get into the episode. So we have the figure in the box. I'm very late to reviewing him. You've got artwork, autobot insignia, more artwork, shots of the figure. That's it. Let's go. Just remove it. So bye-bye box. Okay, so here you have Cliffjumper with his very big fat backpack and his neck. The neck looks weird. Look at that. Weird neck, I'm telling you. And you also And you also get the weapon he comes with. It also comes with a Bumblebee. Pretty nice, very cool. And that's basically it for unboxing. Now let's change to the other angle. So here we are back at this angle. He is very small, the size of my hand. Details on him aren't that great. So he's got the cybertronian chest plate. Looks pretty nice, cool. The neck is an issue. It's a really big issue. They just reused the neck from Bumblebee. And well, it looks weird. The back, you've got a really big turtle back, and this shows the upper part of the vehicle. You've got the hand. Not much to say about it. They come down. There's not actually a lot of detailing. The feet, well, wait, let me just fix this part. The feet, well, they aren't that bad, but well, they're fine. The figure isn't great, but what can I say? It's fine. It's not bad, but it's not good at the same time. Now, for the weapon, it looks pretty nice. Wait, let me just move this out of the way so the camera can focus. Okay, so the weapon looks very nice. I love the paint job on it. All silver looks pretty nice. Black, pretty cool. So I put it as just, you see this little hole right here. Yeah, I just plug it in, easiest thing ever. He's ready to destroy cepticons or get killed by shatter and dropkick. Because you know what? Cliffjumper always dies. That's an issue. So yeah, that's basically it about the figure. Now we're going to transform him, and yeah, let's go. First way of transformation, we remove the weapon, as always. We keep that for later in the transformation, so we can show you the stored space. That is the backpack part. I'll show you that later. So first thing, we just move the chest forward, like so. Move that. What you do is just move this backward, move the hands in front like so. Then you push the head all the way back. Looks like that. I just push this a bit up. Oh wait, no, I forgot this part, which you have to just fold in so the hands can have some space. So keep those for later. Now we do the feet. We turn this around, we turn this part, straighten it out. Okay, so yeah, like that. Now, just straighten the hand out, so you can tab it in right there. I mean the leg. Oh wait, now I just push this up so it can get out of the way. Okay, got that in, just tabs in. Now, same thing to the other leg. So we do that. Sometimes it's a pain to do this. Sometimes. Otherwise, it's the easiest transformer to ever transform. So now just this like so. Ta-da! You got that. Look front. Let me just everything tight. Let just everything become tidy. Now you got the. Oh no! Okay, now we get to the hands. So you see this tab right here? It connects right there. Oh wait, no, wrong side. Right there, okay? Right there. Oh, come on! Okay, we're back. The leg just popped out. It's just a ball joint, easily fixable. Now, yeah, hinge. I mean, no, tap. Sorry, my hands is in the way. I just need... Okay, now we've got that done. Next side. Okay, boom. I said boom, it's in there finally. Now we get to the, wait. Okay, now here you just move this to the side, same thing to the other one. So it can just tap in right there and then just, oh no. Just straighten this one out. Just fix that. Okay, we got that finished. Let's tap that in and okay, yeah, now the weapon's turn. So you see the weapon right here, it has these two pieces right here. This and this, two silver pieces. So, okay, everything's fine. So you see these two, it just taps in like so. Okay, got that done. Now just sometimes it falls out, but you'll get the idea just soon. If I don't quit putting this back in. For the love of God, if you don't get in, I can't do anything. Okay. Now. Okay, taps everything in. Become satisfied with the result. Okay, we're not putting the weapon in, but you'll get the idea. Okay? Okay. Fix that. Tight. That's everything tight, so we can talk about the vehicles pretty soon right now. Boom. And ta-da! Oh. And ta-da! Here you have Cliffjumper's vehicle mode, fully transformed. And yeah, let's talk about the vehicle and the detail. So now let's take a closer look at the vehicle mode. And then after that, we'll end the episode and we'll measure his height in his robot mode. Yes. So the front, it looks pretty nice. It actually looks neat. Just wait till the camera focuses. It actually looks very detailed. Looks nice. I like how the lights are placed. Very cool. You've got the top. Pretty nice. You've got all that red. The paint looks really cool. You've got the tires. Very nice. Yeah, you got the side. This looks like an air. This looks like a place where you put air intakes. So you got the back. The back doesn't look actually that bad, but I still don't like it. You've got the other side. Pretty neat. Now you got the top. Okay, let's talk more about that. That actually looks nice. Looks fine, but he's pretty low on the ground, as you can see. He can scratch the splitter. Okay, now after this, we're going to transform him back into his robot mode, put him, measure him, and then put him back in his box because I ran out of storage space. Okay, transformation again, let's go. Move this up. Yeah, okay. Now we fold that like so. Ta-da, I got the first step done. Pull this up. Now we just disconnect this. Disconnect this. We put this back. We turn the wheel around. Like so. Now we just turn this around. As you can see, there's a, where is it? Oh yeah, right here. There is a peg hole in the tab. We just tab that right there. Okay, now same thing to the other side. Well, this ball joint could be easily fixed. This would make this is actually making life 10 times much easier for me. So you just put that. So turn that around. Same. Now what we do is just stab that into here. Turn that around. We put this little this ankle joint protection thing right there. Ta-da! I've got the foot done, and let me just put that back on the ball joint. Okay, easily put back. Now the hands, you just pull this backward. The hands, you put back. So to the back. More. Just come on. Oh yeah, the head. That's what I forgot. So let's just open this part so that shows the chest right there. Put this back. Now the head sculpt, we just somehow get it. Okay, got that. Now just pull the hands back. Okay, put the chest like so. Turn these hands. Now you just stabs it right there. Okay, let's check. Everything is put in place. Okay, and voila. And ta-da, here you have him back in his robot mode. Now let me just get the measurement. So the figure is very reused. The designers were, of course, very lazy. That's why they used the same neck piece and the same body. They still have this piece from when the figure when Bumblebee transforms into his Jeep form. They still have that piece right there. I don't know why they removed it, but I guess they were lazy. So yeah, that's basically it for the review. So the figure isn't that great, but it's fine for what it is. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I make an episode. See you guys next time. Peace out. Make sure to stay safe.